Getting PV factors using Basic Calculator. First up is PV of 1. To get the present value of 1, the formula is 1 over 1 plus r over m raised to the power of n times m, wherein r is the effective interest rate, m the annuity payments per year. For example, if it is quarterly payment, therefore m is 4, and n stands for the number of years. Let's use the following example for the application of our basic calculator. Effective interest rate 10%, number of years 5, annuity payment per year 1. To use the basic calculator in getting the PV factor, start with the denominator. But you do first the r over m. In this case, our r is 10%, our m is 1, so 10% over 1, it is 10% or 0.10. With that, so let's start. 1 plus 0.10, then equal sign, then press the division sign, then back again to the equal sign, but the times you press the equal sign depends on the product of your exponent. Remember the n times m. So in this example, our n is 5, then m is 1, so 5 times 1 equals 5. Therefore, we will press the equal sign 5 times. And there you go, our present value factor of 1. Next up is the present value factor of ordinary annuity. Here is the formula. Let's use the same example earlier. To get the PV factor of ordinary annuity, let's do first what we did with the PV of 1. After that, press minus 1, then equal sign, then divide it by the r over m. Our r over m, as we get earlier, is 0.10. And there you go, our PV factor of ordinary annuity. Just disregard the negative side. I hope you got it. Thank you. Bye.